The theme for your first stakeout is barbecue.
Woo! Barbecue. Yeah.
Now in this round, you're shopping blind. That means you can't look inside the bags until after you've bought them. But I'm gonna let you buy from as many shoppers as you like. Now remember that the pantry here in the kitchen is limited. It's all about that stakeout and all about that cook.
Yeah.
All right.
You have 45 minutes and your time starts right now.
All right, go! I have some money for you. If you let me buy your cart, I'll give you $80 right now.
I'll give you 70.
$80.
No, I'm sorry.
She didn't want money. Hey, how are you doing? Hi. We're looking to buy your groceries.
You want to buy my groceries?
I do. I'll give you money. I'll give you $100 right now.
I give you 110.
130. 130.
140.
130.
She said 100.
Yeah.
Okay,
Oh,
140.
man, great deal.
Go ahead.
Make sure it's 140.
All right.
Thank you. Yes.
Woo, go, girl.
Thank you.
You already got the gas, man. You go back in the store.
Yeah, I guess I gotta go buy some more groceries.
Some cabbage. I'm gonna make some slaw with it. That's awesome. Fruit cocktail. A beef ravioli. Oh, the guy has some kitties at his place. Oh, check this out. He's gonna go camping or something. Tape.
Got some cabbage, yogurt. Ooh, yeah, we got some chicken thighs. Oh, okay. Some pizza dough, some sauce, some jalapenos. This is a great cart, okay. I got cheese too, onions. Oh, I got some apricot jelly. Okay, cool.
Coconut water, got that. Coconut sugar. She loves coconut, I see. Meatless strips. Corn. We got corn for barbecue. That might work. Little salad here. Portobello's. You know what that is. Jackfruit.
Cipollina onions, molasses, that works for barbecue. Maple syrup, all right, I like what's happening. Pinto beans, yo. Mustard, I got the barbecue box. Some potatoes, a little bacon. All right, what's this? Meatloaf, yo. All right, and some little cornichons, that's nice. And butter, that's awesome. Love it.
Oh, I have some sweet potato fries. Ha! Teriyaki.
Teriyaki sauce. Come on, boomski woomski.
That's a win.
So I have some pineapple here. I have red onions, hash brown. Oh, this is nice. I can use this.
All right, so now add a little bit of flavor to these beans here. So I've got cumin, paprika, cayenne. This is gonna be barbecue.
So now all I have to do is just finish off my warm potato salad.
So the potatoes, I'm putting them in here with bacon. Can't really go wrong with that, right?
And I use a little bit of barbecue sauce. They're perfect.
1 minute left, chefs.
Woo, come on, guys, push it.
Luke, it's time to plate.
Heard, chef.
I'm starving.
All right.
Mine looks pretty damn good, I must say.
Oh.
Have a little bit of slaw here. This is just for garnishing.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right.
I'm ready for some barbecue.
Hello, chef.
Hello.
This looks pretty.
Yeah.
Tell us what you made, chef.
Well, this just took me way out of my element. I'm usually a meat and potato guy, but I made vegan chicken, grilled portobellos, and also made a barbecue sauce out of jackfruit.
Hello, chef.
Hi, chef. How are you?
How are you?
Good.
Tell us what you made, chef.
I made a grilled barbecue chicken pizza, and I hope you guys enjoy it.
Hi, Leah.
Hello.
How are you doing, chef? Yeah. Tell us what you made.
Hawaiian barbecue pineapple and hash brown potato.
Tell us what you made, chef.
Barbecue meatloaf with a mustard glazed sauce, southwestern beans, and bacon onion potatoes.
So the person that's got to hit the bricks and leave the parking lot is? Chef Bob, I'm sorry, babe. You had a beautiful dish, don't get me wrong, but unfortunately, it all read as one note.
All right.
It's great having you. The theme for your second stakeout will be triple decker.
Woo!
You have 45 minutes and your time starts right now.
Go! Barbecue!
What are we doing? What's going on?
We're doing a cooking competition, and can I look at your bag to see if there's some? Oh, so I have a bagels here, donuts.
Bagels.
I get you 30.
I know I can do something with that.
Yeah,
I'll give you
can just
100
wait.
for your
no,
groceries.
No, don't listen to him. He's here you go.
I'll give you
I don't
100.
know, I like that.
I'll give you 100.
Really? Are you kidding?
All right,
Yeah.
I give you 120.
I'll give you
120, yes,
140.
yes,
Is that good? It's good? We're good? Thank you.
Oh my God!
So amazing.
I let you get away with that. You watch out.
I got some bagels. I've got donuts. I have bacon. I have eggs. I have cream cheese, orange juice, and strawberries.
I have pork sausage, yes, berries, bananas, cream, heavy cream, chicken nuggets. I have my protein. Brioche? Yes, this is what I need. All right.
I got basil. I got bread. I got onions, pickles. I got some greens, some cheese, some ground beef. I got eggs. Hell yeah. Woo! Juicy. See the cheese coming out?
I don't have any sauces or condiments, but I have eggs.
Look at that.
Eggs are nice and creamy, and I feel like it's gonna give it that element that they're looking for.
Pickles, patty. Got a gooey egg, a little bit of greens with some basil in it. All right, guys, I'm just about finished, so you better hurry up.
So this is coming off a little too soft for me.
The donut fell apart, so now I have to move forward with the bagel.
I'm gonna let them sit for just a second.
4 minutes left, chefs.
Where did all my time go? I've got to start cooking these eggs and the bagels.
I might have to make something happen real fast.
The grill is hot, so I'm gonna do a French toast on the grill.
This is not what I was planning to do, but I just need to get this done at this point.
1 minute left, 1!
Come on, guys, get your food on the plate.
So, building. Ooh.
Oh my gosh. Oh my God, Luke, I can't.
All right.
Woo, that looks good, Leah.
15 seconds left. That's 5 seconds a layer.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Come on, guys, get it on.
Ooh, it's melting away.
7.
Come on, Luke, you got this, buddy.
5, 4, 3,
2.
1.5, 0. Time's up.
Woohoo!
Yeah.
Woo, good job.
Hello, chef.
Hi.
How's it going?
Good.
Tell us what you made, chef.
So I made a triple-decker patty melt.
All right, chefs, I made for you is sweet and savory sandwich. I hope you like it.
All right, so I made a French toast sandwich with eggs and bacon and then a strawberry sauce to act as a syrup.
The person whose triple decker isn't what it's stacked up to be is Chef Leah.
This is the round for the money.
Yeah.
10 grand, enough for a year's worth of groceries.
Hey.
I want to win $10,000 to take my sister, she has stage 4 cancer, to Tokyo. She's always wanted to go, so it'd mean the world to me.
The theme for your final stakeout is
Ooh, excited.
cinnamon and sugar.
Woo!
This is the first time we've had a theme where the two main components are sitting right there in the pantry.
You're welcome.
You have 45 minutes and your time starts now. Woohoo! All right, go!
It's moving.
I'm trying not to like fumble it. NFL style.
Luke has pre-bought muffins, strawberries, and yogurt.
Oh my gosh.
And orange juice.
The orange juice.
I don't know, I would get eggs.
I just need to get some dry seasonings and then I'm gonna get started.
Oh, she's done.
All right.
You ready, Luke?
Yeah, let's do it.
It's on. I got some blueberries, some strawberries, some eggs, some almonds, some milk.
Go get him! You gotta go. I'm going in! I gotta get him! He only has 1 minute left!
Okay.
Come on, man! Where are ya? What is he doing?
Okay.
Let's go!
I'm going.
Man.
How did it go from 4 minutes to 1 minute so quick?
Yeah. I got my mint.
You got 30 seconds, bro. Let's move.
I had to go in there, guys. Do you agree?
Yeah.
I can't breathe. 10, Luke, for God's sake. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Chefs, you each made dishes with ingredients bought from total strangers. Chef Lauren, tell us what ingredients you bought and tell us what you made.
So I bought eggs, milk, blueberries, strawberries, and I also bought some almonds. So what I made today is a spiced cinnamon sugar crepe.
Chef Luke.
So I purchased banana nut muffins, orange juice, blackberries, strawberries, and a strawberry yogurt. And then I went back in for mint. So what I made for you is a deconstructed cinnamon and sugar banana nut muffin.
All right, chefs, judges have made a decision. The winning chef is getting $10,000, enough to cover their grocery bill for an entire year. The winning chef is Chef Lauren.
I'm a little disappointed, but I think I'm walking away a better chef and a little bit more humble.
Congratulations, Lauren. Even though the cinnamon was subtle, you had the better dish and you won.